are having our vacation on Crete now, and we spontaneously booked a trip to Santorini yesterday. I'm very excited, but honestly a bit afraid of it because I heard how overcrowded it can be. But still, I think it's one of those places that you have to see at least once in your life. I really hope our trip will be great and we'll have much to share. Organizing trips with multiple connections can be tricky, so this time we opted for a day tour from our provider. It included the transfer to the port of Heraklion, the ferry ride, and the transfer to the villages in Santorini. First things first, we had to exchange our vouchers for ferry tickets. Honestly, it was my first time on a ferry of that size. I was worried about getting seasick at first because you're usually more prone to it if you're inside rather than out on the deck. Luckily, it wasn't bad at all, and our 2-hour trip to Santorini was very enjoyable. Everybody had assigned seats, so there was no chaos. The air conditioning was on the whole time, and we even got to enjoy soothing underwater footage during the journey. Our trip consisted of 2 stops, Oia and Fira. In this video, you'll only see Oia. It's the most iconic of all the villages on Santorini, famous for its blue-domed churches and whitewashed houses. But even before arriving there, we were already enjoying the views. Oia sits atop the edge of Santorini's volcanic caldera. The dramatic cliffs, over 200 meters high, were formed by one of the largest volcanic eruptions in recorded history. Just to set your expectations, some places were extremely crowded. And I think if you really want to enjoy Oia, it's better to stay for a longer period. At the same time, I was wondering what you can actually do here for a couple of days, since the beaches where you can actually swim are located on the other side of the island. Many photos make it seem as though the entire village is covered in blue-domed churches. In reality, only a handful of churches have the iconic blue domes. Interestingly, many traditional homes are actually cave houses, carved directly into the volcanic rock. Their thick walls naturally insulate them against both the summer heat and the winter cold. Santorini is wonderful, but it's too full, so don't be scared. But it's manageable. There is this castle that offers panoramic views, and you don't actually have to stay in any lines to take the photos because it's much more spacious. So make your way there, and there are lots of shops where you can buy wonderful souvenirs. They are really beautiful here. Oia Castle is mostly a ruin today, but it still offers amazing views. You can also take photos with the blue domes in the background without standing in line. Much of central Oia is pedestrian only, although you can also get around by donkey. According to our guide, people still use them today because the villages were originally designed with donkeys in mind. If you head in the opposite direction, you'll notice there are fewer and fewer people. Most visitors gather around the blue domes and the castle, but the views are just as gorgeous on the other side. And have you ever been to Santorini? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see the second part from Fira.